Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing 15 ways to make students genuinely want to learn. 1. Create a positive learning environment. Cultivate a safe and supportive atmosphere where students feel respected and valued. 2. Incorporate real-world applications. Connect lessons to real-life situations to show how knowledge is practical and useful. 3. Use interactive teaching methods. Engage students with hands-on activities, experiments, and role-playing. 4. Offer choices in learning. Let students choose topics, projects, or learning styles to foster ownership of their education. 5. Set clear and achievable goals. Help students set realistic goals and celebrate small achievements to boost motivation. 6. Use technology creatively. Integrate games, apps, and multimedia tools to make lessons more dynamic. 7. Encourage questions and curiosity. Foster a culture where asking questions is encouraged and celebrated. 8. Incorporate storytelling. Use stories to make lessons memorable and relatable. 9. Provide constructive feedback. Offer regular and specific feedback to guide improvement without discouraging them. 10. Make learning collaborative. Use group projects and discussions to make learning a shared and enjoyable experience. 11. Teach with enthusiasm. Show excitement and passion for the subject to inspire similar feelings in students. 12. Focus on individual strengths. Identify and nurture each student's talents and interests to boost confidence. 13. Incorporate movement and play. Use activities that involve physical movement to keep students engaged and alert. 14. Use positive reinforcement. Reward effort and improvement with praise, recognition, or tangible rewards. 15. Encourage reflection. Allow students time to reflect on what they've learned and how it applies to their lives. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.